Hi everyone, we're at Hobby Lobby Vacation Edition and look at these giant gems right here. How pretty are those? Those are $8, but all Halloween is 50% off. And then look at all the adorable Grinch stuff. I love that. And then here is like a little soap dispenser. They have little trees as well. So cute. Let's see what else we can find. We have found some clearance on a little display here, so I hope that means that they have a lot of good clearance here. I absolutely would love that. You guys know how much I love clearance shopping. So this is just all the sewing clearance, so I'm gonna go check out and see if I can also find the regular clearance section, and I want to see if I can find the 90% off home decor if they still have any, but I'm pretty sure I'll be able to find something because look at this awesome display of clearance right here in the sewing section. Look at all the adorable Christmas stuff. Oh my gosh, just makes me want to go ahead and buy everything. Everything is just so cute. Like, look at those gingerbread trees. I've never seen those before. Everything's just so adorable. Look, Anthony. Markers on clearance. Also, if you need some little inks, these are on clearance. 50% off those, so those are $15. If you use sketchbooks, some of these are also on clearance. This giant one is on clearance for $6.74. They have multiple drawing pads on clearance. This one is $2.99. There's a smaller one right here for $1.12. This larger one is $5.50. You can see there's a variety of different drawing ones. So far the only ones I see on clearance are the drawing ones and the sketch pads that I showed you over there. Everything else I think is regular price, but they are 40% off this week. Oh goody, my favorite section, the clearance section. They have some anime over here, and then I don't think I've ever even seen these in my store. So to have never seen these in my store and then to find them on clearance over here is kind of wild. So it's a whole little bucket of buttons. That's $2.24. There's that like little silver flower plate right there. That's 50 cents. These little anime guys, oh, they vary. So this one is $3.50, this one is $5.50. Look at all their planners. All the planners that are left over with 2024 in them are over here on clearance. Those are about $8.74. The large one is $10.74. We have iron-on vinyl over here as well. Those are $7.50. Here's just some more clearance over here. Oh, a bunch of those little cozy things. If you do the iron-on clearance, then you could do the little cozies. They have some Tim Holtz ink, which I'm really surprised about. My store wiped out really fast with the Tim Holtz. Oh my gosh, I see packs of paper down there. Oh my gosh, I'm so surprised that I found these paper packs. I did not see them at my store. So there's a cat one. This one's $2.24. I don't have a cat, so I'm not going to be taking that one. There's a winter for $2.24. I'm going to take that one. There is a sunflower one, $1.50. Gnome one, $1.74. And this beautiful little floor one, $1.74. So stinking cute. There are even sheets of vinyl down here that are on clearance. There is this that is, look, it's only $1/4, you guys. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? I love shopping in other people's locations because you just never know what you're gonna find. And there is another Hobby Lobby not too far from here, so I think I'm gonna go over there also. But look, like, you really need to dig down below and see what's available. There's even like happy planner. There's something down here that I need to pull out. Some more vinyl. Oh my gosh, look, stickers back there, sticker books. So much good stuff here. In case you have a baby, these little baby headbands are 74 cents. These little bows are 50 cents. Some really cute stuff. How much are these bows? Oh, these bows are also 50 cents. Really cute. If you need black letter patches, those are 50 cents. There's some iron-on over here. They're $2.24, $1.50, $1.74, kind of just depending on which one you're looking at. They have patches over here. So the Blockbuster one is $3.24. I think I'm gonna take that one. There's the lemon head for $2.50. This little dino right here getting abducted is $2.24. They also have a couple pins. So these are pins right here, and then there's this set of pins right there. If you want to do DIY on some aprons, they have this small one for 99 cents, and then these larger ones are $1.99. They also have these canvas bags on clearance for $2.50. Here's some of this like screen stuff. I don't know exactly how to use that, but those paints are $3.99. Here's some more paint down here for $4.99, and then whatever these are $9.99. If you want some fabric markers, those are $4.99. There's some up here as well. That's $3.24. Tons of clearance over here. Even these like little puffy paints are on clearance for $1.99. There's some more little bottles down right over here that are also on clearance. Then there's some more of these packs right here that are also on clearance. If you need a headband or a bow tie, those are also on clearance. The bow tie is 62 cents. Bottles for tie-dyeing are also on clearance. And then all of this really cute over here, like little rainbow section, is on clearance. Basically like 50 cents, 32 cents for the sunglasses. Just really cute festive stuff. Here's another display right in the center of the aisle that has full of like kids crafting clearance. So this whole little display is all 75% off. People often ask me where do I get the foam for my shakers. It's right here, so you can kind of see where I'm at. It's next to the felt, and then the one that I get is the one down here at the bottom. It's 5 mm thick, and it's $1.99. This store has a ton of little center displays full of clearance. So I don't even know like what kind of clearance this would be. I guess like home decor clearance right here. So I had a video posted on my channel of Winkastella dupes, and this is exactly where I got it from. It would have been up on that peg right there. They're on clearance for $1.12, but there is also glitter clearance over here that is really cute. Like this one right here is going to be really good for like Valentine's Day, and if you just need glitter in general. They have big bottles also on clearance. There's a huge gold one over there, so definitely check this section out and see what you can find. How cute is this one? It totally gives me Frozen vibes. It's on clearance for $1.50. This is one of the more expensive ones, but I think I might take that one. Here's a close-up on the one that said would be good for Valentine's Day, 99 cents. Now I just noticed they're both $3.99, but why is one 50 cents more than the other? That's pretty interesting. I don't know why, so I'm gonna take this up to the front and see if they will fix their price on that. Oh my gosh, how adorable is this Christmas countdown? You can actually use it for anything. It doesn't necessarily have to be for Christmas. This would make a really cute birthday countdown. It is $27.99, but Christmas is 50% off right now. I think I'm gonna get one of these. I think it's super cute. It would be really fun to decorate. If you make soap, there is a lot of clearance over here in this section as well. Yeah, definitely lots of orange tags over in this soap. They even have molds that are on clearance. Here's the good stuff, all of the Christmas. Let's see what we can find. How cute are these baby little tags right here? How cute is this little ornament decorating kit? It also has glue sticks, a twine, some paint that's on sale for $3. Look at all these little craft kits right here. Those are super, super cute. Oh my gosh, look at the little gingerbread house. That one comes out to $2.50. There's these like little crochet kits down here. I had showed these to my mom and she said that she can actually find those on Pinterest, so she didn't want me to buy those. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love this. And in case you want to find anything online, if you type that number into the search bar, you will be able to find it on their website. Look at even these like little like DIY nutcrackers right there. They have snow globes that you can craft. I love getting this wire because it's really, really nice to work with and you get a lot. So I actually use this wiring with my beads. These tiny little wreaths are so good for embellishments. I also like these little hollies. I use those in my embellishments. Oh, look, I don't think I've seen this one before. These are really cute. So these are just brown ones, but they also have these that look like they got a little bit of snow to them. Those are both really, really cute. This is like my favorite little end cap right here. I love buying all of these like little knickknacks. Really good to use when making embellishments. These are so cute. I've actually bought these for my nephew's school for his classroom before. It is on sale this week for $1.50 and it's for the kids to like color and just go ahead and write a little letter to Santa. I think it's really, really cute. I've got these before too. They're really fun. So it's just a little like puppy card and then you can go ahead and decorate them with the stickers. Oh my gosh, how fun are these foam little dinos? All the little foamies to make embellishments. Here's some of the jewelry and look, I actually buy these off of Temu. But these aren't badly priced either. If you don't buy off of Temu, they are $4.50. But then you could go ahead and take advantage of that 50% off that they have right now. Oh my gosh, look. There's Mickey and Minnie and Grinch. And then these patches, I don't think I've seen before. I think those are new. There's a lot of new items over here. Look at these little gnomies. Those are so cute. Those come out to $2. I hauled these recently. Those are really, really cute. These actually look like they're printed a little bit better than the ones that I had bought. I've seen a lot of people hauling these. These are really cute. They're little gingerbread guys. $7, but you could do the 50% off. I buy this almost every year because I use a lot of it. And oh, I don't think I've seen these before. Little clay candy canes. And let's see. Oh, these I wanted to show you. I thought these were pretty pricey. You get 3 glass snowmen for $5 right now. They're really cute, but I'm gonna wait for a better sale. They have little bells over here as well. Lots of good stuff. Oh, I really like these little Merry Christmas ones. You can actually find these on Temu. I bought some last year. I love to find like mini puffy stickers. These are epoxy stickers. They're just really fun to add to your embellishments. So here's kind of like a little peek of some of the stickers here. Oh, I don't remember if I bought these or not. And then they got little gingerbread. Oh my gosh, look, he's like missing his little leg. That is so cute. Oh, I have these in gold. I don't know if I have these in red. Oh, these little sentiments are really cute too. Okay, I think these are new. They are little peppermint stickers. These I think my mom's bought before, but look at these. I don't remember seeing these like wax seal stamps, and they're only $1 because everything is 50% off for the Christmas. These are all so cute. I think these little cocoa cups are also new. This is really cute and new. Then look at the little gingers. And then, oh, there's only one left of that one. This little Santa, I don't think I've seen him before. Oh my gosh, these are really cute too. They're like vellum 3D stickers. Here is the sticker pack for this year. That's all the stickers you get in the back. There's more patches over here. I don't think I've seen these pink little nutcrackers. I wish they were just regular ones. There's some more little flowers up here as well. These little Santas right here are really cute. I've gotten those before. It looks like they're going to be getting more paper in because you kind of see the little packet right here. So here is one of the paper pads. I recently bought this little gnome one. There's like a faith-based one. If you do want to go with like a pink Christmas, they have this one. And then this is more like a little boy one. Then they have these that are 8.5 by 11. Okay, I don't know if the store has reset or this is the way it always is, but there's no Tim Holtz. I feel like this is where the Tim Holtz should be, and there's no Tim Holtz. So what's going on with that? There's not even ink over here. So I'm kind of confused. Like, I did notice when I came in that the store layout was different than mine. So are they all gonna be like this? I hope not, because that means that the craft section is definitely a lot smaller. Because look, we go from like cards like right into the sublimation section. Over where the iron-on is, there's more vinyl over here that's on clearance. And then here are some more of those vinyl sheets. Those are also on clearance for 74 cents. They still have a lot more Christmas to put out here, so I'm surprised that I've been able to find so much, but I did find the 90% off section, so let's go see what we can get. I can't believe how much 90% off clearance they still have over here. My store's been wiped out, so I don't think I really want anything though. Like, there's nothing jumping out that I absolutely have to have. If you have not seen this pastel collection, you definitely need to check it out. I'm not very much into the pastels, but I think it's so adorable. This is like one of my favorite sections, is all of the Grinch stuff. Look, they still have trees here. Those usually go out so fast. And all of this is also 50% off. These are so cute. Like, look at the little pillows. This My Little Christmas is my absolute favorite section to shop during the Christmas season. Everything's just so tiny and so cute, but a lot of it you can use for your embellishments as well. And this is all 50% off also. So I think I'm gonna wrap up this video here so me and the family can get back to enjoying our vacation. And I do want to stop by Joann's here, so I might be heading there next. We'll see how much time I have. All right, we'll see you later. Bye guys.